Hey everyone, how are you today? So I want to just show everybody my 124 scale Losi I have here. So it's a 124 scale Losi crawler. I've had this thing for a while. It's been a project since I've for a while now, and what the plan was and what we were trying to do is we were trying to take a machine like this and FPV it, and that's what I've done. So this is a prototype of a project that has been going on for a while. All the best components, really works nicely, and here's what it is. So it's a 124 scale Losi rock crawler with a FPV system. So here's the crawler. It doesn't have the top on it. It has a top for it, or a body for it, sorry. There's the charging port there. All the wires, even the FPVs, all wires all ran inside, and here's your FPV system on the front. Okay. It's just so cool. This works so well. This will sound odd, but this makes indoor a riot. An absolute riot. If you have pets love this thing. They absolutely go crazy over it. We've done different things with it, and it is just so much fun. But anyway, so I'm just doing final testing on it. I'm going to charge the battery right now. That's what I wanted to show. So I have the charger here. Okay, that's the charger that comes with it. It's a 2S battery in it. So you plug in the charger, and there now it's charged. So that'll take a couple hours, and that'll charge up. And it's a good battery in it. It'll last like 5 minutes is probably somewhat realistic with any of this stuff, really. So that being said, there it is charging. I went to use it because I am getting ready to sell it. So when I started off, I realized very quickly that the battery was low, so I just brought it back, throw it on the charger here now. Thought I'd do this quick video to give you an idea of where we're going with this. Love it, great machine. I've got all the components. It comes with the FPV glasses, which I should have right here. It comes with a set. I'll set that off to the side of Fat Shark FPV goggles that link right up to it. This is just a great combination. It really is. So that's what I've got for you for now. I wanted to show that we're going to do some testing on it. Right now we're just charging the battery. We'll have some videos to go with it very shortly, and I hope you enjoy it. It's a great little machine. I'll be sorry to see it go. Have a great day.